Look at my eyeball. Yeah. Yeah. We are going to be making a hanging snowflake for your Christmas tree. And this is how to make it.
Right guys, we start off with a square piece of paper or card. Fold the card in half, corner to corner. And then we fold it again, straight down the middle, just as I'm doing on screen. And fold once again. This is going to get the nice shape. There we go, then we're just going to cut down that line. There. Let's get rid of his rubbish. Right, so now we're going to put our shapes in. So you can make as many or as much or as little as you like. I'm just making a nice pattern on. I try and do loads of little ones down the sides rather than one big one. It makes it a bit more secure. Try and make it look like a Christmas tree.
Subscribe.
Get away, Bubs. Bubbles there, just trying to steal limelight once again. Right, so this is it. So we're just going to work all the way around, just doing these little triangles. That's it. Get rid of his rubbish again. Always work nice and neat. There we go. So that's that bit done. Now we open it up. And this is going to be our snowflake design. So we put it the right way up. So as we're looking from that, from top to bottom. Now let's choose what we're going to decorate it with. I've got some nice pink tinsel, some gold ribbon, some glitter, and some fake snow. So now I'm just going to separate it into 3 different categories on the snowflake. So the top, we're just putting the green prick stick glue, which isn't working very well. There we go, a little fixing job. So now we're going to apply our glitter. We've got some nice silver glitter for this. There we go, glitter, even though it's upside down. And just get it on, whack it on. There we go. Right, let's get tidied up and let this dry. Now, we're using a bit of a different glue this one, because we're going to put us fake snow on. So we're just using some PVA crafting glue, which you can find in any craft shop. Just give it a really good covering. You want that fake snow to stick on. Oh, this is going to look awesome. We're literally going to make a load of these for our tree at home. It saves on the decorations, buying expensive baubles. It's just, and it looks so much nicer when the kids are doing these. Right now, I'm just opening a packet of a fake snow. So you get this on, make sure you don't miss anywhere. This will dry quite quickly. It's good to put an abundance on, just because it is quite small, little delicate pieces. That's it. Right, we're just finished with that snow now. Just make sure we don't miss anywhere. Just give it a little pat down, just to help it bond. That's it, I'm just going to pat it down. Now we're just going to get cleaned up again. Always work nice and clean. Next, for the bottom layer. So I've got some more of our coloured prick stick. We're using a blue one this time. A little bit more wintry. And can you guess what we're going to put on this one? We're going to put the pink tinsel on. This is going to look awesome. But literally you can make it whatever you want. It's super easy. It's cheap. And they make absolutely fantastic decorations. There we go. Right, now we're going to cut the tinsel. We've got some scissors. We're just going to cut the bits off. That nearly dropped straight in place. There we go. That tinsel was £1.50 from the local shop. Look at that. Looks awesome. Right, next, let's make a ribbon. So here we go. So we've got the pink, we've got the gold ribbon. It looks awesome with the pink bottom. Right, now what we're going to do, we're just going to hang that up. We're going to put a little bit of glue on. This is so simple. There we go. And this is actually going on our tree at Christmas. There we go. Thanks for watching.
Guys, our snowflake is finished. Make sure to make it snow. Merry Christmas. Bye. And make sure to subscribe. Peace out.